Hello students. Today we'll be solving the IB Math AHL November 2024 paper 1 question number 3. You will be getting the first two solutions of this paper and the other solutions of the other questions of other papers in form of playlist on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I am Nilanjana Sanyal. I am an online IB Math EAHL level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve question number 3. The maximum mark is 4. It is saying proof that 3n plus 2 whole square minus 3n minus 2 whole square is a multiple of 12 for all n belonging to the set of positive integers. Okay. So we will be using the identity. You may expand this and this separately and then with this minus sign in between. You can do that. Or else what I am doing is I'll be using this identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b times a minus b. Okay. So I'll be using this identity. Again, I am saying if you want, you can expand this one and expand this one separately and you have a minus sign in between and then you simplify and of course you will be getting the same answer. You will be able to prove. Okay, if I may show both the ways. Okay, so let me take the method one as the expanding of both the parts. Method one. Okay, so it is 3n plus 2 whole square minus 3n minus 2 whole square. So this will be equal to 3n whole square is 9n square rather, plus 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12, plus 12n plus 2 square is 4. Again 3n whole square is 9n square, but this time it will be a negative sign will be there in front. And then it will be, there is the minus sign, so it will be minus 12n instead of plus 12n. But there is the minus sign in front, so it will be plus 12n again. And 2 square is 4, again minus 4. So these will be cancelling, these will be cancelling. So this is equal to 24n equal to 12 times 2n. Therefore, it is a multiple of 12. Okay, so you can prove it this way, or else let me take this one also because I was planning to use that identity previously. Method 2. So 3n plus 2 whole square minus 3n minus 2 whole square. So A is this one and B is this one. So this is equal to A plus B. So 3n plus 2 A plus B. So plus 3n minus 2 and times A minus B. So 3n plus 2 and minus B. So I'll be writing minus 3n and plus 2. Okay. So these two cancel and these two cancel. So this is 3n plus 3n is 6n. And from this part it is 2 plus 2, which is 4. So this is again equal to 24n equal to 12 times 2n. Therefore, it is a multiple of 12. Okay. So you can use any of these two methods to prove this. Okay. So we have solved this question number 3. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video in case you have liked my explanation. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be motivating me. It will be telling the YouTube that my video is worth watching. So my video's reach will be increasing. It will be helping me a lot. We meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving the question number 4 of this same paper. Till then, bye.